My skid shield flapped down.
Is it fixed?
I need mad zip ties.
Then we gotta go back, don't we?
Yeah.
Why'd you stop?
Because I didn't know what the fuck that fucking noise was.
But now you know.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Right. Give me a fucking second.
Can't fix it here, bro.
No.
Oh, dude, if that's the fucking Hyundai, I'm killing it. If that's the Hyundai, I'm bashing right into it. Oh, you motherfucker, you going this way?
Oh, fuck, dude. No, not to the driver's door, dude. Eric, come on, you can hit it. Just don't hit the driver's door, dude. We're gonna get fucked. My kneecaps are gonna pop. Redman, hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh! I was thinking we'll do a donut.
It's fucking front wheel drive. I want to hit his accent. Oh man, I'm all fucked up now. My alignment just ain't even close now. Oh man. What are you laughing?
I'm fucked up, dude.
Hey, there's your quad, dude.
Oh my god.
Why'd you break my shit, dude? Yeah.
Yeah.
Why'd you break my quad?
Oh my god. I'm wasted.